Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you today. It's pretty doggone good and cold up here. Link says the short hairs he's ready to go in. Went and fabricated a snow blade for front end of my tractor. Works real well. Just had the blade laying around. Got a little bit of snow, got more coming. She's good and cold out. You running back to the barn there, buddy? Yeah, I'll bet you're ready. Come down here and had to make him some yellow snow. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. Link and I think that we're going to go in someplace warm now. We'll see you around. Thank you. Bye.